a very vital topic, the role of parents in the student's success. Today, our mathematics are learned of industrial experts on the different way, but the student themselves is whose voice matter the most. So, remember all of the parents for this serious discussion. Please.
Complain I can cast. I'm excited to share my stories and how the parents have made learning a truly joyful and an inspiring experience for us right from our early years in school.
Hello everyone, I'm the Ministry of Great High. Today I want to talk about something first here. Parents, emotional support and belief of our parents help us grow our motivation. And not only in studies and everything we do at lunch.
Hi, I'm Natalie, a very nice student at Love. My focus tonight will be on understanding the fine delicate line between the parents and students.
Good evening, I am Ajay from grade 9. I will be sharing my insight on how the teacher and students can get
Gentlemen present here. This is Usman Arshi, a student of grade 9 at Clash. I am really and one of these students truly wish our parents should know and understand the realities, the challenges, and aspirations of our life.
I am going to start with academics. Here we are pleased to see how your character involvement helps you in your motivation and in your academics.
When we ask about it, it makes me want to let go. जब माँ बाप बच्चे पूछते हैं कि बेटा सही है तो दिल खुश हो जाता है हर बात मार्क्स की नहीं होती कभी कभी हमारी मेहनत और हमारी खुशी की जरूरी होती है Sometimes when parents just ask, is everything okay? It makes us happy. Not everything is about marks. Sometimes unhappiness and our effort also matters. These kind of support makes learning at lunch like an adventure, not just a support.
It is not just about academics or reading and exercising. A small smile of my parents after a tough exam or challenging day motivates me to perform well at love.
So you have already talked about academics, but we all know exams. So can you please tell us what do you expect more beyond academics from your parents?
I absolutely love events, whether it's an annual day, a sports meet, or even a small class presentation. Their physical presence makes me feel what I do. My talents and my efforts beyond just textbooks that really matters, and it makes my confidence boost. जब मम्मी मुझे स्टेज पर देखकर मुस्कुराती है या पापा स्पोर्ट्स स्टेज पर चीयर करते हैं लगता है जैसे दुनिया जीत ली हो When my mom smiles singing on the stage and my dad cheers on the sports stage, it makes me feel I have won the goal.
Straight and pressure and self-doubt within campaigns. Then parents will ask, why don't you study harder? Because it's hard to the house. And
In my opinion, while the parent and children are talking, the parent should not interrupt the child in the between. जब माँ बाप अपने बच्चों से बात कर रहे हो, उन्हें बीच में ना टोके. And also, you should not compare your child to others. माँ बाप अपने बच्चों को किसी और से कंपेयर ना करें, बल्कि उन्हें मोटिवेट करें कि बेटा अगर तुम चाहो तो ये कर सकते हो. You might initially get impact, but this slowly start losing interest in the subject itself. This stress will perform perfectly, it steals the joy of learning. I might memorize facts for others, but I don't really understand them deeply or enjoy the process. It makes school feels like a constant burden, and I just want to get over it. Nowadays, everyone always lecturing their child is more than marks, but don't pressurize them because every child has a different talent. Every child is unique, and every child has different
प्यार से समझाने पर बात बढ़ जाती है, लेकिन जब डांट पड़ती है हर बार वो हम सुन कर जाते हैं और जो सीखना चाहिए वो भी भूल जाते हैं। When insecurity is there, we understand, but continuously scolding only creates fear, and what we should be learning is about that.
There is a unusual difference between Dushkar and Jada Pithu. One helps and the other breaks. When parents push us gently, motivates us to strive to do our best, it makes us to do our best. But when parents pull us hard too hard, it makes us feel demotivated. Honestly, how many of you pressurize your child to complete their dreams? पेरेंट्स मुझे बताइए कि कौन कौन अपने बच्चों की उम्र फोर्स लाते हैं कि वो आपके ख्वाब पूरे करें जो अधूरे रह गए थे। In my opinion, आप अपने बच्चों को प्रेशराइज ना करें कि वो आपके ख्वाब पूरे करें, बल्कि आप उन्हें समझाएं कि बेटा ये तुम्हारा एम है, तुम किसके लिए काम करोगे।
So there's two golden words for parents. One is love and one is scared. And we love and caring. And then we love parents, all the teachers. Because teachers are born as the second parents. Right? So love and care give them with love. They understand topics and they understand everything. Each and every concept we should love and taste it. So here at love, what we do is we come up with new initiatives and new ideas. And then maybe our teaching or and it could be anything else. We love every single new idea, every new concept. So this is our listening. What new things we want our school, as well as our parents, to get them joy for your society. Need them, parents, to bring the answer into the meeting because we are the experiencing the education in the concern. And then today's teacher, parents lives together and we can get motivated and we can share our problems too.
And sessions like today's final discussion are the way by which parents and students communicate each other. बातचीत करने से राहत होती है जब स्कूल, माँ बाप और स्टूडेंट्स एक साथ बैठकर बात करते हैं तो बहुत ज्यादा फन करता है। Communication solves the most problems when we, students, school, and parents sit together and discuss the better solution emerge.
So you have to talk about so many problems, right? The parents are problem. Have you? My dear parents, honestly, please tell me, have you ever asked your child that what is going on in school? Is everything fine and you? Have anyone answered? You can ask yourself. So this is a normal challenge. Be the one for the entire student community there, and we can just focus on what all of you students face. Please.
कभी कभी या फिर तुम जब तुमने बहुत मेहनत की सिर्फ बात नहीं हमारे मेहनत के लिए sometimes when parents just ask sometimes all we want to hear is I'm proud of your child but you have done a very hard work not just numbers see our efforts.
I want everyone to know I was more than one sheep. A student is a friend and a work in progress and love.
Yes, I agree with them. We, the students in this generation, are compared to others, as just because of marks, as just because of sense. So, coming to me, our parents should not compare us to others. We, the students, have more problems in our lives. We have the studies pressure, extra service, and even digital distractions. So, parents, please understand our struggles and don't compare us to us. And instead, work with us on our journey and support us. बाबा मेरी आपसे सिर्फ यही गुजारिश है कि आप अपने दूसरों से कंपेयर ना करें पर ये कि हमारा साथ दें हमें सपोर्ट करें आपका सपोर्ट हमारे लिए मार्क्स से भी बड़े हो But what matters is implementing our emotions, our dreams, and our passion, and our unique individuality. Let's remember the women behind the number hearts.
Let's aim for excellence here at LUM in learning and into understanding, not just for attainable and anxiety, using illusion of perfection.
Succeed, learn, and grow, but never ever at the cost of my mental health and even joy in my learning.
We need to focus on our goals and take our challenges and goals. All families for showing so much of courage and bravery to open up all the problems, and I thank each and every parent to show your open heart to listen to all the problems.